So the question is, when can you fire yourself? Hi, I was Leeds and welcome to this week's video. And this week I'm going to be talking about when can you fire yourself. It might seem like quite a strange question to ask. When can I fire myself? But that is what you should be doing. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're trying to build a business, your primary focus right now should be how can you fire yourself from all the different jobs and tasks that you do. The idea being that you find other people to do the work for you. So I'll give you a couple of tips in how you can go about doing that. First thing that you need to do if you're gonna replace yourself is you need to know exactly what it is that you do. A lot of people they know kind of in their head, but they haven't got it written down, so they can't teach someone very easily. So you're gonna be creating manuals for all the jobs that you do. Pretty easy to do. When you do the jobs, whatever you're doing, whether it's your sales process or your marketing process, there'll be a process. Even if you don't know, you just think, well, I'll just do it. There's always a process underlying underneath. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna write it down. You're gonna go through, you're gonna turn it into a step-by-step manual of what, in my case, Russell Leeds does when he's doing a sale call. What do I say? Who do I call? When do I call? And if you don't know what it is, if it's just, well, I just do it as and when, then you're probably not doing the best job of it. Because if you actually write it down, you can improve it. You can think, when is the optimal time to call back? How many times should I call them? What should I say? Who should I be called? All these sort of questions, write it down, put it in a manual. Only then can you start hiring staff. I've seen a lot of small businesses where they hire staff and they just kind of leave them to it. You know, it's just like, oh, well, yeah, you're a sales guy, here you go, and you sort of dump it on them and then they don't do a very good job and you have to fire them. Well, no wonder they didn't do a very good job. You didn't tell them what to do. How are they supposed to figure it out? They're not an entrepreneur, they're just a sales guy who wants to work for you. So you need the system. There's a great book called the EMyth, and on the EMyth, they talk about great systems. They use McDonald's as the classic example of how they created a great system and they got ordinary people in to follow the system. So your job as an entrepreneur is, number one, do the work first. Another beautiful thing about being the person that's done the work first is, like, when I'm speaking to some of my staff and I'm telling them, I expect this from you, I expect that from you, they're like, this is what I did. And they know that I did it. I've been in their shoes. And it gains a certain amount of respect from them, because it's not just like, oh, some boss who's never done it, who doesn't know what he's talking about. You've done it. You've walked the walk. Now you can talk the talk. You can tell them what you want to do. So create your manual, go through step by step each part of your business and take ownership of it. If you don't know what you're talking about, if you're hiring in a marketer, like, oh, I don't know how to do marketing, so I'm just going to hire a marketing expert and get them to do it. Believe me, they will mess you around. They'll pretend stuff's really difficult when it's not. It's your business. No one cares about your business like you. You need to understand every single little thing about your business. You need to know it. You need to understand it. You need to own it. If you rely on someone else, they'll just mess you up. It's like, for me, I don't really understand much about cars. So when I go to take my car in to get fixed, they could rip me off. I don't know. Quick Fit could tell me I need stuff doing that I don't know. I'm not sure. Now, luckily, it's only my car, so it doesn't really matter. If it's your business, you need to know everything. So go through step by step, do everything, write it down, come up with your systems, and then bring people in. And you can hold them to a standard then, because you've put it out, you've written it out. This is the standard, this is what I want you to do, this is how I want you to do it. And start replacing yourself. Start with the jobs that you don't like. You still need to do it, but if you don't like it, get someone in to do it. Hire a PA. But don't just farm it out to people. People often, when I say, bring people in, get them to do it for you, people just think, oh, I'll just farm it out, oh, I'll just use that marketing agency. Don't do that. Take ownership, know what you're doing. Step it out step by step, and then get someone to do it and hold them to account, hold them to your standards, and fire yourself, get yourself out the game. That's what you want to do. Hope you guys found that useful. We'll be back next week, same time, same channel. Don't forget to subscribe, smack the like button. Don't smack it, actually, click the like button. You could smack it, probably best not to though, it might hurt your computer. Just press the like button and I will see you next week.